Now y'all be careful. You might just fall in love with this cocktail recipe. I'm cheesy, I know.
Today we're gonna be teaching you how to make our pumpkin margarita.
Pumpkin margaritas are super rare to come by, and I do not know why, because they're delicious. If you've never tried a pumpkin margarita, you should definitely give this recipe a go.
The perfect cocktail for any Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving, really any fall event.
So let's dive into this recipe so you can make it for your friends and fam. The tequila that we're going to be using in this margarita today is Suavecito. This is the world's smoothest tequila. If you don't believe it, try it for yourselves. Go to shop.suavecitotequila.com and use our discount code THIRSTY and get 10% off. Grab a shaker and add 1 ounce of lime juice. Next, go in with 1 ounce of pumpkin syrup. Today we're using Real's pumpkin syrup. We love making some syrups from scratch, but Real is a really great brand if you're feeling a little lazy, you know? Next, we're going in with a 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. It's an orange cognac liqueur. I think it really fits the holiday season. It's warm and cozy, and it's perfect in this cocktail. Next, we're going to be adding 1.5 ounces of Suavecito Blanco.
If you have reposado at home, throw that in there. It will go really well with that too.
We gave our glass a cinnamon sugar rim.
Yum.
And then we garnished with the cutest little sliver from a mini pumpkin.
And she looks like a turkey. So I'm obsessed.
She's definitely giving turkey vibes. Now we get to drink it.
Cheers.
Cheers.